This is the story of an automation and control company in search of a long-term solution for testing their entire platform of safety products, and the team that delivered. This global OEM designs products meant to keep workers safe in fire, mining, and building manufacturing applications. They needed consistent, high-reliability hardware that could work in a variety of test fixtures and last throughout the entire test cycle. Since 1986, we've worked with a lot of industries that have seen a lot of change. There's nothing more frustrating than realizing your platform can't work because a piece of equipment isn't made anymore. Isn't that right, Jeff?
It is. When you specify a solution like this, you want it to last a really long time.
Especially when the solution is being applied to the entire platform of products.
And especially when you have many things to test, like timing, accuracy, and performance across drastically different conditions.
Right. And that's why we recommended our standard CIO data acquisition models. This is a highly configurable, robust system that can interface with a wide variety of equipment.
Analog inputs on each product can test sensors in a controlled environment to determine if the readings are accurate.
Digital outputs on the devices actuate the test cycles, and inputs conduct status information back to the host. And what if in 20 years they need more CIO units?
We send them more CIO units.
You heard me say in 20 years, right?
Yep.
Oh, wow. Okay, so what about 50?
Yes. Even if the original design is changed to make improvements, we can make a form-fit-function replacement.
Wow. 75?
Yeah.
Huh. What about 100? Make sure your solutions are available far into the future. Contact Sealevel today.